No, I watched that. I thought it was fucking weird. Do it, Chad. Do what? No, fuck off.
Do what? Do what?
They want me to do the fucking voice, I think.
What voice?
The fucking...
Say welcome to the jungle.
I did it. Welcome to the jungle, guys. Today we have a crazy dream lined up. Nick just went out of the car. He went to go take a shit, dude. I can't believe it. There was shit coming out of his ass. I was gonna suck it up right off the floor. But then I told that sorry motherfucker, no, dude. No. Go take a shit in the bathroom right now. Dude, I am tired of this bullshit. Now I'm stuck in a fucking car with Melena and Kitty Cinderella, dude. Like, what the fuck? Like, where is the content, dude? Only 46,000 viewers? Not enough fucking juicers in here, dude. L, dude.
Dude, I closed my eyes. Insanity. Dude, come on, help me.
It is better in person.
It's better in person.
But
who?
If you need anything,
so this girl that you met yesterday at Universal, right? She made a TikTok.
Awesome. Thank you.
So we were at Universal. We just wanted to meet Cutie and Ludwig, and fucking Mizkif comes up to us and was like, "You want a picture?" And we were too scared to say no. I fucking hate that guy.
Dude. I would hate myself if I was too afraid to tell Mizkif no to a picture.
Our picture with Ludwig and Cutie. Sir, get your arm from... remove your arm from me, please.
Okay.
Candyland reminds me of another Swedish production, Midsummer. And by that I mean I would rather jump off a 100-foot cliff than watch one of her streams. She calls herself Candyland. Judging by her tits, I'm guessing it's a hard candy. Really, who did those things? Your titties look like they're filled to the brim with Werther's Originals. I don't know. I guess maybe boob jobs are cheaper in Sweden because you assemble them yourself. Anyway, that's enough misogyny for now.
But I think it would be really interesting to see that and find out about it. Because, like, yeah, I do think it's cool. Yoink? Wait, what do you mean yoink? I didn't even do anything. All right, let's go. All right, yeah, let me go over and try the, what the fuck? Oh, my God. I'm so sorry for that, guys. I literally accidentally I'm so sorry. That's so disgusting. I had to move that away.
Bro, make the turn. Oh, no, there's an old lady walking across the street.
Swerve around that ass.
Oh, my God.
We all know Hassan is Turkish and attractive. The only time this dude isn't Turkish is when Armenian girls send him nudes. Hassan uses Face App to figure out what his Muslim fans look like without their hijab. You think that's bad? This one might be mean. Hassan is jealous of white people because it's acceptable for them to fuck their uncles. No? All right.
Just let me out. Like there's a poop. Can you please escort us to our hotel, please?
Is that behind us? Oh my God, Myth.
Oh my God, Myth!
Myth, you made me stop in the middle of the road.
Myth, what the fuck?
Myth, you made me stop in the middle of the road.
It was a green light.
Yeah, but you have to stop this siren. What are you doing?
Oh my God. Dude.
Well, they're 40. Here, I can do it for you. No, he's the same height as you. He can't. Espen, go up it. Bodyguard, help me.
Thank you. Andrea?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Finally, Andrea!
I know my months. I can't do it under pressure, but I texted you. And I said, don't react to the clip. It tilts me.
Wait, you texted me?
I said, don't do it.
I didn't see your text.
Hitting the fucking
weeks until
I'm
now.
a little bit confused because everyone's expecting me to tell them the order and I just can't under pressure.
It's like living a double
Oh my
life.
god. Did you see this on LSF?
What?
Dream promised to donate all his money on Pride Month to LGBTQ plus organizations, but he didn't stream the whole month.
What?
Listen, guys,
That's
I
a
want.
slap in the face.
Is he
That's
asking to get
awful.
canceled?
I think so.
That's for real?
All he had to do was go live one time, man.
Bruh.
Slap in the face.
Oh my god. That's
Was it? Did he not go
crazy.
live in? I wonder if he didn't go live in there's no way he did that
No.
intentionally, right?
I don't.
Maybe. Did he announce it
No,
before
there's
the
no
month?
way he did that intentionally, but it is.
Didn't he get soft
ridiculous.
canceled this month?